That is what makes you. That is what makes you to be approved. And that is what shows that a somebody is approved of God. His capacity, his ability to discern truth. Your capacity to discern truth. That is what shows that you are approved. It is not the manifestation. It is not no. It is your capacity to be able to discern truth. It is your capacity to be able to discern the spirit of truth. That is what shows that you have been approved of God. That is what shows that you have been approved to represent God. So truth is very, very important. The ability to discern truth is one of the core factors that makes you a good minister. Is one of the core factors, one of the core capacity that makes you a minister that is approved of God. Yes. So the number 20 is the singleness of your eyes. The singleness of your eyes. The singleness of your eyes. Because your capacity to discern truth depends on the singleness of your eyes. The singleness of your eyes. When we talk about your eyes, you mean your perception coming under the authority of Jesus. Where does your perception lie? Where is the operational base of your perception? Where does your perception? Where is the alignment? Where does your perception align to? Where does it align to? And that is why the Bible says, Jesus talking in Matthew chapter 6 from verse 22 to 23, he said the light of your body is your eyes, is your perception. He said when your eyes is single, then your whole body is feeling light. That single means when your eyes is under authority, when your perception is under authority, then your body is filled with light. And they went forward and said, if your eyes be double,